So one of the companies that we're working with right now, we've actually taken 3 of their vehicles with their Fords, and we've cleaned them with our technology and removed the ash. And then they decided to take a 3rd vehicle, or even a 4th, I can't remember exactly, and they took it to a Ford dealership and had them, diagnostic the emission system. And Ford said that it needed to be replaced. It was end of life. So they took that truck from that dealership and took it to another dealership to get a second opinion, which I thought was a great idea. And then they came to us and said, hey, can you clean this Ford truck for us, because the dealership said it needed to be replaced. I said, absolutely. We've already done several for you and proved that the technology cleans the ash. Okay, we're out here at this company and we are going to do a DPF cleaning on this truck. They stated from 2 different dealers that the DPF needs to be replaced. So we're going to do a carbon cleaning on this thing and see what we get. We took that truck and cleaned it, got the DPF ash majorly reduced by the numbers of the J1939 or OBD2 port, whatever one. And then what they did is they took it back to Ford, which I thought was brilliant. And Ford said, oh, it needed to be replaced, when we dang well knew that it was clean. So they went ahead and let Ford replace the DPF. And I told the company, make sure you put that DPF in the back of the truck, because we want to cut it open and investigate it. So they did. They had paid I think it was like $13,000 to have that DPF replaced. And they got the old one. Well, they brought it back to their shop, cut it open, and it was clean as a whistle. And here's a person that actually works for the company. Now, he also worked for CAT as the #1 emission technician for Caterpillar. And listen to what this gentleman says.
There's no evidence of soot or black anywhere.
Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, we like to hear that. So that's some pretty good data that I got from that gentleman. Also, there's a lot of people that don't believe this technology, and that's okay, because Ford, Cummins, CAT, even Caterpillar, of course, and the major dealers don't even understand what we're actually doing in the DPF system. Again, I've been doing hydrogen for 17 years, and we have a specific kind of hydrogen and oxygen that we're making that is removing the ash. So I'm just here doing this video. The next time somebody says, hey, you need your DPF replaced, you might want to get a hold of us so that we can save you a ton of money. I mean, these new trucks are just complicated with this emission technology. They're always breaking down, and the technology ain't going anywhere. And we're able to help companies save a ton of money. So hopefully this video helps. Thanks.